What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Rails of Mass. At the time of recording, it's Sunday, May 3rd, 2026, and we have once again found ourselves here on the Grand Junction running track in Cambridge. Here at the BU Bridge crossing the Charles River, we see the familiar face of PNLX 2107 and Reedville switcher service. It's bringing 2 coaches and 1 locomotive to the north side today. While this is a regular railroad operation, that may not be the case in the future. The MBTA has plans to build a new commuter rail maintenance facility at Reedville, replacing the existing one. This will mean no more need to bring locomotives to the north side to be serviced, and a lot less need for the Reedville switcher to bring things back and forth across the Grand Junction. While seeing the Reedville switcher will remain a regular thing on the Grand Junction for now, we're going to be sure to document as many trips as possible, because one day this may not be the case.
We have permission from Delray to the yacht. Approaching Mass Ave whenever you're ready for us.
Roger, right up the Swift, please.
With the train now passed, we're going to try to jump ahead and catch the train at a couple more locations on its way to BET. We're now at the Medford Street crossing in Somerville, and it's from here where we're going to set up to see the switcher one last time as it makes its return journey to the south side. Alright guys, that wraps up our adventure here in the Grand Junction today. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.